Hello guys, I'm so glad you're here. Today we are going to do a cute, small little painting of a winter scene. So the first thing we're gonna do is tape your paper down and wet the area really well. Starting off with some warm yellows, whatever warm yellow you have on hand. I think this might be cadmium yellow I'm using. Starting off with the sky area. And with the paper being really wet, you have time to work and drop in your colors. As you can see, I'm not putting the paint everywhere. I'm leaving some open spaces, which is nice because that's where the light is going to come in. It is a lot darker on the top, so I'm bringing in some blues and purples to the top part of the canvas. So I'm not trying to copy the exact same thing as the picture. I just want to get the idea of the scene and the mood. Bringing in more of the orange. Now I'm just getting the ground area, just a very light purple to paint in the snow area. There's a darker band across the bottom part of the photo, as you can see, so I'm working on developing that part to be a little darker. Pressing down with some tissue paper just to get the sun. Working on the background mountains here. What the heck just happened? Ugh, I'm so sorry guys, I forgot to press record again. I am going to be going over the trees. As you noticed, you can see my pencil marks. I am not quite finished painting in those trees. So don't worry, I will go through with you how I did that. I added some of the rocks in the foreground, just with some darker purples and blues, putting in those shadows. Okay, so most of the time when I make these kind of pine trees, I like to use a script liner brush, and I am taking various amounts of paint and water together. Sometimes I have a little bit more water on my brush, and I'm just spreading it around really messy. Being a smaller brush, of course, this type of trees are going to take a longer time when I use such a small brush, but I kind of like the look of the trees kind of loosely painted in the branches. with a script liner, so that seems to be what I enjoy using lately. At this point, when you're using a script liner and following your pencil lines, you're almost using it like you're sketching, not really painting, but just kind of drawing with it. To get this dark color, I have mixed neutral tint with some of the purples. So now I'm taking tissue paper and a scrubber brush, and I am scrubbing out some of the paint to get some of these bolder types of snow in the background here. Give the sun another good scrubbing so that area's paper white. It makes the sun look like it's shining through the trees. Adding a few more small details, a few little trees in the distance. Now I have some opaque white watercolor that I am dabbing over the top of the branches just to get that snow-colored effect. And that's it, guys. Sign your painting and you're done. I'm so glad you joined me today. I hope you have a fantastic week, and I'll see you guys later.